Churning out from an ominous gray storm cloud, a tornado emerges on an Oklahoma plain. Storm chasers recording the massive twister touching down hear cows mooing, as if to sound a warning.
This thing is attempting to become a larger condensed tornado. And now I hear cows. Wow.
Another storm chaser video shows two tornadoes forming simultaneously, also in Oklahoma. Dozens of tornadoes tore through parts of Oklahoma, Kansas, Nebraska, and Iowa overnight, and one tornado killed at least 5 people on Sunday. Twisters are already blamed for 62 deaths in 2012 in the Midwest and South, raising concerns that this year could be a repeat of 2011, the deadliest tornado year in nearly a century, when some 550 people were killed by tornadoes. Catherine Jackson, Reuters.